How to uninstall CapCut in Windows 10 or 11. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to uninstall CapCut from your Windows 10 or 11, so here's what you need to do. So first things first, what you can do is just head over to your search bar from the search section and simply search in for add or remove programs. So it will basically open up a system settings. So you can also actually go to their settings and then open system settings, but this is the shortcut, so you can just directly head over to this apps and features section from over here. Make sure you are on this section that is apps and features. Now you can simply locate the CapCut application by simply scrolling down, or you can also actually search for the particular application over here. So as you can see, I've already located the CapCut. Now to uninstall it, you just have to click on that application and you should see the option that is uninstall. So just tap on that and once again click on uninstall, and it should be automatically uninstalled from your computer just like that. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.